pickups here. First up is Knipex. There's the part number. They are 6.5 inch cable shears. Definitely a nice size. They really are sharp, that's for sure. Part number on there says what? Do not cut steel. But yeah, these are gonna be a nice little addition. Feel good. And I did pull the trigger on some mountain wrenches. These are metrics. They're a 5-piece, double box end, ratcheting, all that. I was looking online. I'm thinking that these are the same as the Icon brand from Harbor Freight. Not 100%, but it'd be nice to just figure that out. I'm not sure what company makes this, but I know a lot of people probably just rebrand them with their own name. So I picked these up on a sale. They're normally, I think, like $199. I got them for like $126, so that was a good deal. Because the Icons are also $200 at Harbor Freight. So yeah, they are made in Taiwan. Just trying to see if there's a company who makes these. Alright, so all of a sudden started pouring and raining sideways, strong winds, so I had to pick some stuff up. That came out of nowhere. But yeah, these, I was trying to look to see if there was a manufacturer, but I don't think so. Anyways, comes in a really decent case. It is plastic, but we lay in the toolbox, definitely good enough. For me, at least. They are 90 tooth, so that's nice. And definitely can see it's decent quality on the teeth. They are spline drive. And I like the feature of them being reversible. That's really nice. Sounds really good. Nice flex. Even the stamping on them, the chrome is, I haven't seen any defects, but good finish. I don't know how strong they are, but here's a 17 and a 19. You can see. Really nice. One thing I noticed is that there's on the flex head joint itself, you can't tighten them. There's no screw, so I don't know if these will ever loosen up, but most flex heads have that fastener where you can just tighten them up a bit if you need to, and this doesn't, so well, I'm not sure about that. We'll see. But like here, I got the Orions, the Orion Motortex. But you can just see how it's just like the shape of the tool. Like, you're definitely getting what you pay for, which is not bad. I'm not saying they're horrible, but it's just they're not that great. And the durability, haven't completely put it to the test, longevity wise and all that. But for a cheaper set, they are really good. I would think so. And but spending a little bit more, having this quality is definitely nice. So if that matters to you. And also that's the size comparison. These are, as you can see, they're a lot longer. So you probably get some more, that much more leverage out of them. Even with the, really you can tell with the 8 and 10s. Yeah, it's just a lot better of a finish. Like you can see how it's a little bit warped here. It's not even. But if that matters to you, that quality control type deal. Yeah, just from first look at it, these definitely are really nice. I like them. See how they hold up. Alright, so next up here, I picked up the Powerbuilt brand of the universal sockets. This is the standard and metric, and the 3/8 drive. Not too long ago I picked up the 1/4 inch drives from Astro, and those really helped out in the tight areas, so I figure 3/8 would be a nice pickup as well, you know, just in case. Nice addition to the toolbox. Well, let's check these out. Being the same company, I'm surprised the packaging is different, or the branding. And it does say that it has a lifetime warranty. So I don't know if you've seen, goes from 3/8 to 3 1/4 on the standards. It does say made in Taiwan. So that's nice. Yeah, it definitely seems decent. These are laser etched. There's no stamped markings on it. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of these type of rails because, you know, laying them down they just roll over. The Astros have really nice rails, but I'll have to see if I have any extra rails. Maybe I can throw that on, or get some more magnetized rails. Yeah, these weren't expensive at all. I think they were like, at least they were between, I would say, $25 and $35. So yeah, this goes all the way from a 10 to a 19 with no skips. And these are laser etched as well. Yeah, definitely a really decent quality. I think this is the first tool from this brand that I have. So yeah, these universals come in handy in those awkward spaces, so they're always nice to have. So I got a couple pickups here from Knipex and Capri. Here we got a combination pliers, 7 1/4. There's the part number. And we got some long nose, needle nose pliers, with the cutter. Those are the 8-inch. And these are the Capri XL double box end, number 10 and 11. Yeah, slowly, surely, I'm definitely upping my Knipex pliers. Just nice to have these, or this brand. The other ones are just like kind of mostly like Harbor Freight stuff, but yeah, these are nice. Nice machining, quality. These seem very nice too. These also have some cutters on it. Yeah, nice simple tools. And I got this because the quality on the bowl tools, the smaller sizes, the teeth weren't as nice as I would like. But you know, you get what you pay for, and it is what it is. So I just picked these up. Yeah, it's nice. Nice teeth on this. Chrome finish is really nice. I do have the full set of standards in this for the Capris. But yeah, definitely a nice tool brand.